Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to show you guys something different. I'm not giving you a makeup tutorial. In fact, it is going to be get unready with me. So I'm going to remove this whole makeup and I'm going to show you how step by step you should take off makeup and do the skincare after removing the makeup, because it is very important that the amount of time you take to do makeup, you should take the same amount of time to remove the makeup if you want your skin looking healthier and without any acne breakouts and any pigmentation, or if you want good texture of your skin, it is important that you take out your makeup, all your makeup, before going to bed. So I am going to tell you guys exactly how you should do it. So without any further delay, let's just get started. So first product that I am going to use to remove the makeup is this Micellar Cleansing Wipes by Simple. You all know that this is my most favorite makeup removing product. So all you need is one wipe to remove this whole makeup. Okay, let me get mirror first. I always forget to get my mirror. Okay, so I am here, my mirror is here. So let's just get started with it. So this is the wipe and I am going to show you how you remove the complete makeup with this one wipe. See, the whole makeup is coming off, and just with one swipe.
You see, it's magical, no?
See how squeaky clean it has made my face. All the makeup is off. So next step that I'm going to do, it is going to be very helpful for you guys. If you are wearing lashes regularly, this is going to be really helpful. So I had not worn lashes, but this step is helpful to take off anything trapped in your eyelashes. So I'm going to use this Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water and I'm going to take an earbud and I'm just going to take 2 drops of it and run this earbud through my eyelashes. So any product trapped in my eyelashes will come off. Now this is a black color earbud, so you won't be able to see the product on it, but it does help and it removes your eyelashes also very easily. Just wet it and run through your eyelashes, the fake lashes that you apply, and it will come off easily. And girls who actually use kohl every day, they have like these dark eyes all the time, so you can use this step. So you don't have to keep on rubbing your eyes with any scrub or any like wipe or anything. You can just do it with this very gently. Now next I am going to use a face wash. This is again by Simple. It's the refreshing facial wash and it is 100% soap free gel facial wash. It's a very nice one. Again, my most favorite product. So I'm just going to take 1 drop of it and I am going to massage it on my face, and it doesn't lather that much, but very nice. Your skin feels very soft after washing your face with this face wash. So I'm quickly going to wash my face and come back. See, it has removed the complete makeup. There is no traces of any makeup on my face. So now that my face is all squeaky clean, I'm going to move on to the next step and I'm going to use this L'Oreal's Crystal Micro Essence, and I'm just going to take 2 drops of it and just warm it around my palms and just dab it on my face like this. You can take any serum or any face oil that you like, that you regularly use, and after cleansing your face you can apply it on your face. And as I am a dry skin person, I am going to top it up with, I am going to finish my skincare process with applying a good moisturizer. I am using this moisturizer by Cetaphil, and it's their Daily Advanced Ultra Hydrating Lotion, which you can use on your face, on your body. So I'm just going to take this much amount.
So I'm just going to take this and massage it into my skin. So my skin is hydrated and moisturized.
Now I'm going to put this lip balm by Body Shop. It's their vitamin E lip balm. It's amazing. I love this. I don't use any other lip balm. I just use this one. Very nice, and it is not tinted. It is in the wax form. So amazing, amazing lip balm. So with that we come to an end of this video, guys. I hope you liked watching this video and this video of mine helped you. Do let me know in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, and hit the like button for this video as well. And I am going to see you in my next one. Bye.